Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard SaltScapes Algae Remover. What is BioGuard SaltScapes Algae Remover? SaltScapes Algae Remover is a highly effective, non-staining algaecide that kills algae in swimming pools. SaltScapes Algae Remover is effective at killing green, blue-green, black, and mustard algae. This product is compatible with all pool surfaces and filter types. Product benefits: non-staining algaecide, kills and prevents green, blue-green, black, and mustard algae. Dosage: 16 fluid ounces per 10,000 gallons of water. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.